What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today I'm going to show you how to make some canned biscuit donuts. A recipe so good it's scary, boy. Oh, scared the hell out of me. Better have a drink and calm down and get this shit started, shall we? Yeah, think so. You heard me right, you old ghoulie. We're gonna make some Halloween donuts today out of canned biscuit dough, and you're saying to yourself, Black Hour, how the hell are you gonna make donuts out of biscuits? Well, donut, dough, biscuit dough. Biggie and Jay-Z, I love the dough more than you know. Ooh, so let's go ahead and get her crack-a-lack. Now, what I've done is take these biscuits out of the can that they come in, and that's another thing I want to tell you. Let me take a drink because you want to talk about something that scares me and really gets my heart pounding. Woo! Opening a can of biscuits, man. It always wants to pop on you and just scare the hell out of you. And you know, I was gonna peel this one back slowly and kind of get after it with my old butter knife here. Didn't have a chance. It jumped out and surprised me, boy. Whoa! And then I was scared shitless. But I went on about my way and got these donuts ready. Now, what you want to do is get a small cookie cutter deal to make your little hole. Now, of course, you know me. Didn't have the time, the patience, or the cookie cutter. So, what I did was took one of these empty water bottles, which I should drink more of because I drink a little too much of this and not enough of that. And I turned it upside down and I kind of made my hole with it. And actually, turned out pretty damn good. I was actually really surprised with how that turned out. So, once you got your hole in the dough and your oil in the pan, and we want to use quite a bit of oil today because you want these things to float. You don't want them to stick to the bottom because it's going to get burnt. And let me tell you something about this shit, boy, before we start. You better take a drink and listen to me. Listen. Oh, that mango. This shit here, it's going to go fast. And you've heard me say that before, but I'm serious now. I mean fast, fast, fast as fast fanning what you're going to receive Fred Sanford. So, not long at all. I'm going to show you right now. Go ahead and take your biscuit. And you know, the colder your biscuit dough, the better, because it's not going to be as malleable. It's not going to be as flexible. It's going to hold the shape. We'll put those biscuits in there. And I've actually got my oil on pretty, medium low right now. I'd say almost medium because it's just a really quick cook time when you do biscuits like this. So, we're going to put them in there, and once you see that they're floating around, that's a good sign, baby. That's what you want to see. Kind of sit there and let them do their thing, and you can sit here and sing the Monster Mash to yourself and sing about Dracula and his son, boy. Ooh, and you going to want to suck these like Dracula would suck that old blood out of somebody, the blood, But we sucking donuts today, boy, and some mango. Yeah. Now see, we're already about ready to flip. What you want to do is kind of pick it up, check that bottom, and once it gets kind of golden brown like a biscuit would, go ahead and flip over to the other side. And like I said, it's not going to take but like 2 seconds. You really want to watch because you don't want no old burnt donut, do you? That sounds gross. That's like you go to those people's house on Halloween and they're like, oh, happy Halloween, little so-and-so. Here's an orange. Motherfucker, I wanted a Reese's Piece. So, we got these things flipped. Actually look really good. Like I said, I'm amazed at how it turned out. And because I'll tell you a secret, I ain't never done this shit before. First time I ever tried this recipe, because that's the thing. People say to me, Black Hour, you don't really, I never see you cooking any desserts. Do you not like desserts? Well, dessert to me is like I say. I come in here after a night of, 18 mangoes and tear up some Reese's Pumpkins at midnight. That's my dessert, sir. So, this is going to be a little treat tonight. And it'll be a great treat if you're having a Halloween party or something like that going on. And like I say, it doesn't even have to be Halloween. It could be any time you can make these things. Several different ways you can do them, but I'm going to show you one way today. Now, we've got these out. They are done. And we're going to go ahead and let them cool over here on this cutting board. And then we'll add our decoration, if you will. Because what's Halloween without decorations? You got to be festive, baby. So, come back with me and woo! Let's be festive. Thought there was a werewolf coming in behind me, but it was just me, burping. Alright, Frankenstein, we've got our donuts out of the thing. And they've rested enough. It's time to wake them up. Let's get to our decorating thing. So, what I've got here today with me is some orange cookie icing. And I got this in the baking aisle. I was kind of trying to look for some frosting, but, same shit. And of course, once again, you can make this at home, but you know me, I ain't got time. I'd rather sit down and watch old Freddy Krueger. You know what I mean? So, we're going to take this and we're going to very carefully just kind of put a little bit on the top of this old donut here. Just like this. A little circular motion, sir. Like I say, you don't want to put too much because we're going to try to spread this out and make it look beautiful, baby. It's going out trick-or-treating tonight, so we want it to look its best. And I think I'll get a little bit on my finger. Ooh, Sugar Rush. Reminds me of the pre-Halloween party that we used to have at school when they'd give out them cookies. So, we will go ahead and take our plastic fork, and of course you can use a knife if you want to, but I'm going to use this plastic fork. You know why? No dishes. Got time for that shit. So, spread your icing around, and once you get all your donut covered, next thing we're going to do is take our sprinkles. And today I got chocolate sprinkles because the orange and the brown, kind of a little Halloween theme. But like I say, baby, you can do this any kind of way that you want to do it. Get inventive with it, and I want to see it. So, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And I think this is the first time I've said sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle where I was actually using fucking sprinkles. That's kind of incredible. Sprinkle, sprinkle, the real sprinkle. Doing its thing. God damn. I'm kind of amazed myself. This looks like it just came out the stove, boy. And I'll bring you in closer. Get closer and not too close because I might jump out and bite you. It is Halloween, but get close enough to see this beautiful, beautiful donut that we've made here. Come on. Alright, baby, the time has come. The canned biscuit donuts are done. And I'm having the first bite for old you-know-who. So, man, I'm just amazed at how this turned out. I really, first time doing this, didn't think it would work out so good, but they're scary good, so. Dude. That's a donut. I mean, it's almost perfect for Halloween because it's a biscuit dressed up as a donut, knocking on your door saying, I don't want nothing from you. I'm the treat myself. So, I want to thank you for treating yourself to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Have a happy and safe Halloween. And I will see you next time, baby. Boo! Yeah, I'm in the spirit now. You gotta share that shit with me, right? Come here, buddy. You crazy son of a bitch. You do this every year, man. Like, I'm not gonna catch you. Crazy.